This video, I'm going to show you how to make money on Tapmob traffic. So basically, this is the full guide on how to make money. So basically, you just go ahead and start it with your Tapmob app. You have to log in. There's a lot of things that you have to fill out. So after that, after logging in, you have to be submitted or to be let them in or to be accepted through the Tapmob. So basically, once you're inside the Tapmob, navigate to the offer section. There's an offer section there. So to effectively promote your selected offers, so you just go ahead, gather creative materials. You have to promote the offers. So basically, there are appealing offers such as iPhone giveaway, a Domino's gift card, and a DoorDash gift card. So just copy the affiliate links for these offers and save them in a Google document for easy access. Then promote your selected offers, gather materials, creativity, basically. So set up a Google document to showcase the offers, highlight the text. Then promote your offers by utilizing platforms Facebook, Instagram, or anything, or any shit, or anything that you have that could probably market the affiliate. So leverage your social media for traffic. Then after that, once Tapmob once people click their link and actually get to promote the offers, you get to promote the offers, you would go ahead and make money on Tapmob.